I'm Bob Santuski. This is a brief tour of DataMill, AsReported.com's XBRL processor. The goal here is to capture every fact reported under the SEC's digital filing framework into a cloud storage environment so that the data can be easily queried, filtered, and compared across periods and across companies. So we're going to process 310Q reports for Bristol Myers Squibb and hopefully give you a general sense of the process and how the data is stored. So here we go. First, the 6 XBRL files are downloaded from sec.gov. Then each is processed in turn. The label link base provides the company's labeling preferences for both standardized concepts and extended concepts. The label strings are normalized and stored once, then reused across all companies. Next, the schema file is parsed for concept extensions and data table titles. The definition link base provides detail for company-specific dimensions and associated dimension members. The presentation link base is parsed for financial statement structure and the structure of supporting tables. It is the source for line items and the dimensions into which individual facts are expressed. The calculation link base defines the arithmetic relationship between line items for each presentation link, which is important in one aspect of data validation, i.e., is the data internally consistent. Finally, the instance file is parsed. It contains the values or facts for given line items, periods, and dimensions. The remaining steps include data validation, standardization of company extensions, and computing of analytics. Then the collected data and metadata is uploaded to Microsoft's Azure SQL database. As we watch the final document being processed, note that the number of unique segments, dimension arcs, extensions, and labels is declining with each document, as these are global or company-level items that are again stored once, then reused. So let's return to the production floor and view the data we've just collected. For the 102410Q, this is the list of data tables, dimensions and related domain members, hypercubes, which are the specific combinations of dimensions for which facts are reported in this document, extensions or company-created accounting concepts, and labels used in this filing. Next, let's go to the data lab and render some tables. We'll start with the balance sheet. Selecting a subtotal will highlight the summation elements comprising that total and also display the properties of this fact in the right margin. Next, let's look at the income statement. When we click on validation, the entire table's subtotals are validated, and this is the same validation done during processing. When we select a line item title, its properties are shown, including the abstract parent and calculation parent relationships. Here's one of the company's segment tables, with each product shown representing a single-dimension hypercube. An example of a multi-dimension hypercube is this fair value table, and you can see facts that are related to multiple domain members. This dimensional modeling aspect of XBRL is probably its most powerful feature. That concludes this demo. Other features of DataMill and AsReported.com's financial data solutions will be discussed in future screencasts. Thank you.